Manufacturing is a diverse industry. In Story County, it is integral to our entire economy. From the line worker to the scientist, employees in this sector create products that make our lives better while solving some of our greatest challenges. They represent nearly every industry, every skill set, and every background imaginable as they take ideas from concept to realization.
I manufacture sustainability.
I manufacture quality food.
I manufacture creativity.
I manufacture agricultural research equipment.
I manufacture quality meats.
I manufacture art.
I manufacture your dinner.
I manufacture hydraulic systems.
I manufacture variable housings.
I manufacture the greatest pasta in the world.
I manufacture proximity switch covers.
In Story County, we are proud to uplift all of our manufacturers for contributing to our success, and we know they will continue to advance our economy well into the future.